the Pope of Plastic here again at ANA Hobbies in Warwick, Rhode Island. I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful shop here in my hometown. So right as you walk in, you got a whole bunch of magazines, all sorts of different stuff. Now this place is really big on trains, a lot of trains, but I was surprised with what I found in the back room, which isn't like out front. So they directed me to go to the back room. So I'm going to show you. But if you like trains, first off, they got tons of paints. So they got all the paint that you need. I can't believe this is in my hometown here of Warwick, Rhode Island. I've never been in here, because I always heard it was mostly a train place. And they do have a ton of trains and train accessories. But they also have a ton of, well, anything you need for a train set. They've got it for your dioramas, all of your different, I don't even know what these are because I'm not a train person, but I guess they're box cars and all that kind of stuff. I mean, it's tons and tons of train stuff. All your Walther's kits, which I'm familiar with. They make great, like, model buildings and things like that. Lots of diecast all over the place. Then you come over here, which I really enjoyed looking at, which was all the different modeling materials for scratch building, for dioramas, for detailing. They have all of your plastistruck styrene. They've got all of your metal supplies. And again, they got tons and tons of trains, locomotives, box cars. I know you're going too fast. I know. You know, I'm trying to show you all. There's a lot to cover here. So lay off me. I get that every time I do a video. You're going too fast. Tons of styrene. Tons of wiring. Oh, I didn't even notice this. Lots of wire. I'm going to have to ask him if he's got hollow tubing, because you can never find hollow tubing anywhere. More paints, more tools and detailing stuff. I tell you, I'm going to be coming in here for a lot of tools, because he's got it all. A lot of train track, screws of every size and shape, structural shapes, little people, train tracks, all sorts of modeling, detailing stuff, from resin to brass to pewter to stainless steel, lights, wires. I don't even know what this is. Yeah, there's some more box cars. There's just literally trains everywhere, and just every kind of little hobby hardware thing you could possibly imagine. He has here at ANA Hobbies in Warwick, Rhode Island. Now let me show you the surprise. Because when I told him I was a professional model builder, he said, "Oh, what do you do?" I said, "You know, plastic." He goes, "You into trains?" I said, "No, plastic models." He's like, "You got to go back in the back room," which I'm going to take you to right now. All you guys that collect all the little cars, he's got tons of them. I know Chip is taking notice. West Cala Cycles. Okay, we go back here, more Walthers, more trains. Trains, choo, 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 choo. Now check this out. If you like armor, this guy has got it all when it comes to tank models and armor models. I mean, tons and tons and lots of books. But look at all the tank models. A lot of everybody's favorite, the RFM. He's got the RFM. He's got TACOM. He's got everything when it comes to armor. If you want armor, we hit the armor jackpot. Armor jackpot. You name it, he's got it in armor. I have one thing over here that just stopped me in my tracks because it gave me shivers up my spine. And I'll show you. Then you got some AMT tractor trailers. Not many cars, mostly all trucks. Mostly all trucks, but that's okay. Look, every hobby shop doesn't have to have everything for everybody. You can be a specialized hobby shop. Look at the beautiful submarine. Big 1/35 scale. Some really cool submarine kits. Look at this PT 109 in full wood. Look at this thing. Holy cow. How much is that? That is badass. And then you got a bunch of really cool helicopter kits, which I want to show you. But first, here he goes. He's got some big scale trumpeter. This German train right here, I would love to do. This helicopter by ICM, the Sky Crane, has been on my list forever, but it's about $200. This one we're going to be building after the 148 scale F4 Phantom. I mean, there is some cool stuff in here. Armored train, atomic cannon, what the hell? Then we got the big 1/16 scale tanks by Trumpeter. You have some of the bigger plastic 1/35 scales down here. Look at this US M1A1 by Trumpeter, 230 something. But here's the one that scared the hell out of me. Oh my God, never again, never again. But I would love to do this though. This Trumpeter Panzer in 1/16 scale. That is badass. Now these, I got to see one of these kits last week. I've never built a Kitty Hawk kit, but these kits look terrific. It looks like they make the best helicopters in the business. But these are all big 1/35 scale helicopters, and these are just really cool. And I'd love to do one. There's a TACOM one, 1/35 scale. I mean, they've got just, and then they got a ton of photo etched, tons and tons of photo etched, decals. I mean, it would take you hours. And then you got Corgi. You got Corgi things. What is this? Oh, isn't that cool? Look at that. Wow, what a cool set that is. Oh, that is badass. Tons of pre-built stuff, pre-built helicopters. Then you go over here, you got a ton of fire trucks, tons and tons of fire trucks. Just really super stuff in here. A lot of Corgi, auto art, diecast, tractors, fire engines, whatnot. Very cool. But you got to come down here to ANA Hobbies. You're going to be blown away, especially with this back room. If you're into armor, you're going to love it. You're going to love it if you're into armor. A lot of stuff for sale here, the smaller scale. But yeah, you got to come here. AA Hobbies. Unbelievable. Cool hobby shop. I had no idea this was right in my... I mean, I'd heard about this place over and over again, and I happened to be nearby. And I said, hey, you know what? Let me just see if this place is open, if it even exists. And sure enough, came right in, and beautiful. If you're a train lover, this is the place to be. I mean, I'm not a train expert, but judging by the volume of train stuff that they have, if you're a train guy, this is incredible. If you're an armor guy, this is incredible. If you're a fireman and you just want a diecast fire vehicle, this is the place. Anyway, ANA Hobbies here in Warwick, Rhode Island on Jefferson Boulevard. You got to come by here. Very cool hobby shop. I will definitely be back again, definitely for tools, definitely for accessories, definitely for detailing items, because they have it all here, which is really cool. I love these kind of places. I love discovering them and coming and check them out. And the people are very nice here as well. Very nice. Come on by, AA Hobbies.